Hi guys, Junior here, and today I am going to show you how to make a very easy and simple probiotic at home, which is called Kanji. Now Kanji is a very traditional probiotic. It's been used in India for thousands of years and most of us know how to make it at home, but we might have forgotten it. So I am going to show you a quick refresher on how to make this basic Kanji. So this is a carrot and cauliflower Kanji. You can also make it just with carrot, which is called Gajar ki Kanji. Especially it's very known to be made with the winter carrot. So the basic ingredients here are going to be water and these two carrots and the spices, and I'm now going to quickly show you how it's made. To get the whole recipe, just find it in the link below. So we're going to take half a cup of carrots and put it in our bowl here. And then we take half a cup of cauliflower florets. Now the important thing is that both of these were boiled just for 2 minutes, just to soften them up a little bit. They were boiled for 2 minutes. So now my spices are, this is rye. Again, the English description I'll have it in the link below, but this is called rye, as I know most of my audience is Hindi speaking. Haldi or turmeric. Red chili powder, but this one is a special, it's a less spicy chili powder. It's called Deghi Mirch, and this is salt, and I'm using my fingers, guys. You could use your spoons, but I'm just making a quick video for you. So and that last one was Heeng, and this is Kala Namak or black rock salt. So now we have all our spices here in our Kanji mix, and what I've got here is 1 liter of water. Now this water was boiled and cooled down. Very important that you let it cool down. Now your Kanji mix is ready. You can give it one spin with a spoon, and once you've done that, the important thing is to take a soft cloth, cover it and put a rubber band over it. Probiotics are sources of life, and as such it draws insects like crazy. So you can just cover it nicely. Now the key thing with this probiotic is to get the best Kanji, you should put it in the sun during the daytime. It's very common to have Kanji in winter, so put it in the winter sun. You can make it in summer too. So put it out in the day when it's sunny and take it back in the evening, and next day you repeat the same to put it out in the sun. In about 5 days it should be done. You can also do it indoors. Your individual results will vary. Do check it. If it tastes like it's gone bad, don't have it. But with a few trial runs, you can easily master the art of making Kanji, and it's a very simple and tasty probiotic drink, very refreshing as well, that you can serve to your guests and use this to improve your gut health. Thank you.